But bringing this ghost back to life required a recovery and restoration process that defies the laws of chemistry. It started with a rumor of a 1960 mine cargo freighter, lost in a brutal storm. Leaving the surface means entering an alien world where gravity and light fade away. As we sink past 100 feet, the sunlight dies completely. And there it was, the Oceanwreck, a massive freighter, broken in two by the sea. Dozens of motorcycles. An entire fleet entombed in the sea. Most were crushed by the collapsing hull, but a few near the back remained structurally intact. We selected the best surviving candidate. The goal was full extraction. Rigging a decayed machine is dangerous. One wrong pressure point, and the frame snaps. We attach the lift bags, preparing to fight the ocean's massive gravity. Adding air, creating buoyancy inch by agonizing inch. The suction of the mud finally breaks. The legend lifts off the deck, weightless and flying through the water. The ascent must be meticulously slow. Expanding air can turn the recovery into a disaster. Breaking the surface. The machine feels the air for the first time since 1969. The ship's crane takes the 3-ton load. As it clears the water, the terrifying extent of the saltwater corrosion is fully revealed. Touchdown. The Oceanwreck is finally on dry land. Oxygen is now the enemy. We apply a rapid neutralizer to stop the metal from vaporizing in the open air. The rapid decay is halted. The preservation process officially begins. Decades underwater have essentially welded the machine into a solid block of rust. We rely on extreme thermal shock. Heat expands the metal, breaking the bonds of corrosion. Brute force destroys history. We use physics. The heart of the machine is extracted. Every single part is cataloged. A full forensic mechanical autopsy. Stripping away the ocean's armor, inch by inch. We drop the delicate internals into an ultrasonic bath. Millions of microscopic bubbles implode, blasting the rust away at a cellular level.
For the structural steel, we use state-of-the-art laser ablation.
The light burns away the decay, leaving the original canvas completely unharmed. It is deeply satisfying. Did you know there are billions of dollars in lost cargo scattered across the ocean floor? We found the Holy Grail, clean to the bare metal. But the mystery of this specific bike remained.
The serial numbers were heavily pitted, but the acid revealed the truth. We opened a sealed shipping tube attached to the frame. The unexpected truth. This wasn't just a standard motorcycle. A flawless piece of Americana, lost before it ever touched a highway.
The engine rebuild demands uncompromising perfection, machining the cylinders back to factory spec. New internals, perfectly calibrated to handle extreme torque.
Torqued to exact factory specifications, the legendary heartbeat is reassembled, piece by heavy piece.
To be a legend, it needs its signature armor, the chrome.
Polishing away the scars of the ocean, bringing back the flawless mirror finish.
The bodywork receives the ultimate classic treatment.
Applying layer after layer of deepest, vivid black gloss paint.
The iconic Harley-Davidson aesthetic returns from the grave.
Hand-painted pinstripes, the signature of true craftsmanship.
The marriage of the chassis and the gleaming power plant.
The core is secured.
The wheels are meticulously laced and trued by hand.
Premium leather, restored to showroom condition. The iconic pipes are attached, the instrument of its legendary sound.
The silhouette of the legend takes its final, breathtaking form. The electrical nervous system is installed.
Preparing for the spark of life.
The face of the ElectraGlide is complete.
The build is complete. Now we introduce the fluids. Thick oil to coat the virgin internal metal.
Combustible fuel. The raw energy required for resurrection.
The circuit is closed. The machine is armed. Power is live.
Months of extreme engineering, chemistry, and labor culminate in this exact moment.
Priming the fuel system.
This requires raw human force.
The first cycle. The iron lungs pull in air for the first time in over 50 years.
A sign of combustion. The spark is perfectly timed. The margin for error is non-existent.
Ignition.
The ghost breathes fire. The legendary heartbeat of American iron returns. From a rusted tomb at the bottom of the ocean floor to a fully functional, running legend. It survived the crushing depths, the saltwater, and the test of time. A lost 1969 Electra Glide, finally brought into the light. We saved one solitary piece of history.
A true legend never dies.
They showed an entire fleet, dozens of legends, still trapped in the dark.
80% of the ocean is unmapped. Our team proved that the ocean's grip can be broken.
The equipment is reloaded. The tanks are filled.
The next dive is already planned.
Because true treasure isn't just about what you find. It's about what you bring back to life. If one perfectly preserved legend was sitting at the bottom of the sea.
How many more are waiting for us to find them?